What do you think about Obama?
He's an asshole.
Why?
He is.
Why?
He brought that same-sex marriage, and that's crazy.
Yeah? Why is that crazy?
There's a lot of disease going around.
Yeah, everybody should have love, though.
Ah, bullshit.
Why?
In the peaceful Union Grove Cemetery.
That guy's nuts.
Why don't you think...
The American flag
That's a homosex of that
a
monster.
small token.
It's a what?
Hundreds pay tribute to the men
A homosex?
who died while
You don't think guys should be touching wieners?
No.
Why not?
And I think they should. Some
Why?
people
Why should they?
Have you ever?
No.
Have you ever seen anybody?
Well, why should they?
It's just, it's love.
Ah, bullshit, that damn love.
Why not give people love?
Give him a kick in the ass instead.
We had a good life together.
Yeah?
He was funny.
What else don't you like about Obama?
Very sad.
He's
He
an
died
asshole.
very young.
Why?
It was hard.
Renee Bauman.
What else does he do that you don't like?
I didn't care for him, period.